Hello and welcome back. Good morning here from darling China. It's the morning. As you can see, I look like I just woke up. So, as I have in my hand here, I didn't talk about this kind of guitar last time. It's called a nylon string guitar because these strings, as you can see, they're not made of steel, they're made of nylon. So I'm going to explain a little about the nylon string guitar. It's like a very softer version of the instrument. You can play a lot of styles, R&B, pop, country music. It's very warm. Oh, I haven't tuned. Yeah, we have to remember to tune. So let's tune now. Always tune before you play. If you want to know more about tuning, if you're a complete beginner, I have a lesson on tuning right here, so you can look into that. I'll not go into depth about tuning today. I'm going to keep it very short and simple. Okay. You can see how it sounds. It sounds very smooth. It doesn't have that harsh effect. The strings are very smooth. Every time I play it, I enjoy it. It's really nice to play on the beach, you by yourself. You can sing along and play with this one very smoothly because it doesn't have the high-pitched sound from the steel, so your voice sounds very warm. Anyway, that's enough about the nylon string guitar. Now we're going to get into the parts of the guitar. I'm going to change the angle for you, and you're going to see in depth. But before we change the angle, I'll talk about the three basic parts. This is the head. The head of nylon string guitars are a little different from most guitars. You'll notice that. It's also called a classical guitar, by the way. Classical. Keep that in mind. So this is the head. And as you can guess, this is the neck. Here to here. And this is the body. Very beautiful body. This black guitar. So I'm going to change the angle and show you the parts. So this guitar, as I said before, it's a classical guitar or nylon string guitar. It's used to play a lot of classical music and a lot of bossa nova. It's very nice. A lot of African music plays it too. So we're going to talk about the rest of the parts. We talked about the head, the neck, and the body. Now we're going to get into depth. On this head, what else do we have? You can see the things that we turn around to tune the guitar. Can you see? We have 6 of them to tune the strings. They are called tuning pegs. You can see the spelling below. And on the neck, we have frets. These lines, they're called frets. Count how many frets you have on your guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. On this guitar we have 19 frets. Count how many frets you have on your guitar and let me know in the comment section. So on the body, you can see this is an acoustic guitar, so it's a little thicker. This is the hole. It's called a sound hole. I remember learning about that in books when I began. It was really cool. If you have time, you can write it down if you're really bent on remembering it. And this is the bridge. This is the bridge. So basically, mainly there's nothing else we can get to. These are the main parts of the guitar. And what kind of guitar do you have and why did you choose it? Let me know. What kind of guitar do you have? And yeah, that's enough for the lesson today. I'm going to say peace, goodbye. See you next time.